Tall buildings, busy roads. I'm in the city of dreams. I see local banks, foreign banks, wholesale dealers in gas cylinders, restaurants, business, 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 and business. Why do we need so many businesses? How do they even make profits?
You're talking to a real goat.
Dear 2025 and the 2026 students of the A-Level Commerce stream, I've got some exciting news for you. Are you looking forward to improve your accounting and business grades? Look no further because Uzman Sir is here to help you unlock your full potential with years of experience and a track record of transforming students into top performers. New chapter alert for the 2025 A-Level batch. For accounting, we're diving into Chapter 10, Partnership Accounting, and for business studies, we're tackling Chapter 13, Operations Management at IMS Kandy. For the 2025 Advanced Level batch, here are the class schedules. Accounting theory classes are on Tuesdays from 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Accounting revision plus paper classes are on Tuesdays from 8 a.m. in the morning to 2. Business studies and theory classes are on Saturdays from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Business studies revision plus paper classes are on Fridays from 8 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and weekly exams for business studies are on Fridays from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. at IMS Kandy. For the 2026 A-Level batch, the class schedule and the time durations are as shown on the screen. Take this opportunity to master accounting and business studies with Uzman Sir's expert guidance. Join his classes today and let's work together to achieve our best grades. And the best part? Online classes are available for all students across the island through Zoom. And no matter where you are, you can join in and start learning with Uzman Sir. HD recording of every session will be provided to both online and physical students, so you can recap the sessions or watch them in case you miss a class. Best of luck to all 2025 and 2026 A-Level students. Thank you and Happy New Year.